For many Tennesseans, March 3rd is the one-year anniversary of the deadly tornadoes, but in Benton County, it's March 2nd. An EF2 tornado hit just before midnight, killing one person. Meteorologist Mary Mays with the story.
Benton County EMA Director Richard Key remembers that night well.
For a small county, it was devastating.
There was a lot of damage for responders to deal with.
We had approximately 30-something structures that were damaged in some type or another, whether it's a barn or a shed or a home. There was, I think it was 4 or 5 homes that were completely destroyed. We had one fatality. We had a number of first responders, fire department, rescue, law enforcement, electric companies, highway departments, all out helping to clear the scene. It was definitely a mess.
He tells News 2 that some of those who had their homes destroyed have slowly rebuilt in the past year, while others have moved to a new location.
There was a lot of people that God had his hand on them that night because the places that they were at were completely destroyed around them in some of the houses. They came out without a scratch.
Mary Mays, News 2.
And the man killed 1 year ago today was 67-year-old Carl Frazzi, who died on the way to the hospital after protecting his longtime girlfriend, Patty, as that tornado hit.